Oh yeah, I'm sorry. After a workout, I was always under the impression it was almost like fuel for the workout. It's not. It's just replacing the stores that were going to be depleted by the body naturally. So after a workout with carbohydrates and some protein.
And if you're not working out, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Just make sure you're taking it daily. We are big believers of not flavoring things when possible. So therefore this is not flavored. It's not bad. Mix it with water. It's totally palatable. Doesn't taste bad at all. Drink it. No issue. 1 scoop. It's only 8 grams, literally just creatine and HMB. There's nothing else to it. I mean, that's what's amazing about this thing. So you guys will really appreciate that.
Right. And there are some benefits, like it's that you can combine it with taking it with carbohydrates. So this is something too, like if you were taking it after a workout, I mean, you guys can throw it into your smoothie. Like sometimes it's like the combination of things, not having to mix.
Yeah, that's how I'm doing.
So many things.
Absolutely. And also what to expect. You can expect an increase in lean muscle mass, stamina, endurance, performance in 4 weeks, actually, as early as 2 weeks, just by supplementing with creatine. It is